and we call them farm animals. Okay, because they usually live in farms. Okay, so we will. What can you see here in the picture? What kind of animals? Which animals?
Donkey, goat, dog, cow, chicken,
and duck.
pig.
Okay, good, good. So we will talk about some of them today, and next time we will continue talking about the others. Okay? Okay. Now we will start with this song. I think you know it. Sorry. Yes. Can you see it?
So you want trees or plants? Trees.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-O. With a boink boink here and a boink boink there, here a boink, there a boink, everywhere a boink boink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here-a-ba, there-a-ba, everywhere ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, moo-moo, moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a puff puff here and a puff puff there, here a puff, there a puff, everywhere a puff puff. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay. Let's stop until here. And I need you to tell me what animals have you seen in the song?
I saw a sheep.
A sheep.
Yes.
How does the sheep make? What's the sound of the sheep?
Man, man here, man, man there.
Ah, good job. Okay, so let's see here.
saw cow too. Moo moo yeah, moo moo yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I have
moo,
these
yeah.
ones before. I have these animals. You talked about the sheep, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to pick a sheep for me from these animals. Where is it?
Chip, 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 chip.
The most like close to the sheep, huh?
Chip this.
Okay, good job.
This chip.
Good job. How does the sheep how does the sheep make? What is the
Man,
sound?
man, yeah. Man, man, yeah. Yeah, man.
Good. Good job. Okay, so this is the sheep, right?
Yeah.
Do you know what we get also from the sheep? Now we knew the sound of the sheep. What do we get also from the sheep? What does the sheep give us?
Meat and milk.
Yes.
Exactly. So let's listen to the sound of the sheep. See? Did you see a real sheep before?
Yes.
Did you see it before?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see another animal. Who can pick for me a cow?
Moo.
Good. Okay, what are the colors of the cow?
Black and white.
Black and white. And how does the cow make? What's the cow's?
Moo moo yeah.
Moo.
So moo, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Listen. So how was the sound?
Ooh. So scary.
Yeah.
So
Do
scary.
you feel scary?
Yes.
Did you see a real cow before?
Yes.
How big was it?
It
was too big,
That's
right?
Two horns.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah, I saw it also like a while ago, and I was so scared like going close to it. You see it? Okay. What do we get from the cow? What does the cow give us?
Milk.
Yes. What also?
Meat.
Meat and milk. Exactly. So we can get milk and meat. Do you like milk? Do you drink milk every day?
Every day I drink milk before I go to the bed. I drink milk.
Oh, good job. Okay. Okay. Can you pick for me chicken? Chicken. Good job. So what's the sound of the chicken?
Right?
Cluck,
Yeah.
cluck, cluck.
Yeah.
Right? Listen. Okay, so what do we get from chicken?
So meat,
Meat and
chicken, and
Eggs.
eggs, exactly. Okay, do you like eggs?
yeah, I really like eggs.
I eat them. Yes,
Breakfast is
every day I have, me also, I have on breakfast eggs every day. Okay. Dorothy, come see. Can you tell me what is the sound for?
Chicken.
Chicken!
Yeah.
Can you show me a chicken? Where's the chicken?
Ah, it's a chicken. Yeah. It's a chicken.
Do you know what does chicken give us?
Yes, give us eggs.
Eggs. Exactly.
meat.
And
Meat.
and meat. Yes. Okay. We're going also to talk about the last animal for today, and then we will continue next time. Pick for me, please, a horse. Horse. There's a horse. Did anyone try to ride a horse? Did you try to ride a horse? Or do you know someone riding horse?
I saw it in my daddy's phone. They used to ride horse. My daddy's phone.
So you didn't learn how to ride a horse?
No, I haven't.
What about you?
I will tell my mommy to take me to somewhere and let me ride the horse.
So
A park, yes. Park.
Okay, so how does the horse run? You know?
It counts.
It jumps. Did you see a horse like jumping really high in competitions on TV? Right? Okay. So what's the sound of the horse? It's really loud, right? It's really loud. Do you know how does this horse sleep? Does it lay down? Actually, it sleeps on his. He keeps staying on his feet, and he only sleeps. Close his eyes and sleep. Standing up.
He doesn't lay down.
No, exactly no. No. I actually learned how to ride a horse, and I went to horse clubs many times here in Bahrain and in my country. And I used to see how horses eat, how horses sleep, how people also ride horses, how do they wash horses using a big brush. So yeah. Okay. Can you tell me about these animals? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Dog.
Yes.
It's a dog.
Do you know anything about dog? What is the sound of the dog?
Scared of the dog.
You're scared of the
Yeah.
dog.
Scared of the dog.
So you prefer cats other than dogs?
Yes.
Okay, what do you know, Dorothy, about the dog?
Dog and cat. Scared.
Scared of the dogs. You can
Scared.
say
Do you know anyone who has a dog? I don't actually have a dog, but I hear that a dog is a good friend to people. Like if you own a dog, he will become a true friend to you. You know? Okay, what about this? Dorothy, leave on your hand and look at me. Yellow, what is this?
it's a dog.
A dog? Yes, okay. Tell me something about the dog. Where does the dog live? It swims in the water, but it lives between water and land, right? Because it doesn't spend the whole time swimming in water, right? Okay, what is the sound of the dog? Quack quack, right? Okay, what about this?
Rabbit.
What is this?
Rabbits. Rabbits.
That's so cute. So
Yeah.
Rabbits.
Do you know what does the rabbit eat?
carrots. Vegetables, right?
It could be. This is what we see on cartoons actually. But I tried to have a rabbit in my house, but don't do that because it needs like a big place because it keeps jumping and running, and he's too fast in running, and he keeps eating lettuce. You know lettuce? He keeps eating lettuce. And he doesn't eat anything you put for him. Some kinds of food, if you put on him, makes him die. It's not good for him. You know? And also, it's not only white color. The rabbit. It has many colors, different colors. Okay. Okay. At the end of the lesson, can you tell me about some of the animals that we talked about?
Let's talk about
Cow.
cow, sheep, rabbit, cat. We are talking about
Dog.
different types of animals today.
Sheep.
Yeah. Dorothy, can you show me how chicken do? What is the sound of the chicken?
Chicken.
Is it a chicken and a duck?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Or like this.
Quack quack is the duck.
For the dog, yeah.
Yes. Do you want to listen to the chicken again?
Yeah.
Listen.
Okay.
Okay. Kumal, tell me what is the sound of the sheep? Okay. Can anyone tell me what do we get from sheep again?
We get meat.
Meat. What else? We get something very important.
Sheep. The cotton wool.
Cotton, yeah.
Exactly. What can we do from what can we make from wool?
Wool.
sweaters, jackets.
Exactly, so we can make clothes, right? We can use wool in winter clothes, right? Okay. Okay then. Next time we will continue talking about the other animals, and we will talk about also where they live and what they eat. Okay? Are you excited for next time?
Yeah.